Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to install Dart on VS Code. I'll be doing this on Windows. There are two parts to this. First, we'll install the Dart SDK, then we'll install the Dart extension in VS Code itself. First, let's get the Dart SDK installed. Open PowerShell as administrator. You can do this by searching for PowerShell in the Start menu, right-clicking it, and selecting Run as administrator. Once PowerShell opens, type Choco install Dart SDK and press Enter. This uses Chocolatey to download and install the Dart SDK. Chocolatey automatically adds Dart to your system path, so you won't need to configure anything manually. The installation will take a minute or two. Once that finishes, let's verify the installation worked. Open a fresh terminal window. You can use PowerShell or command prompt. Type Dart, version, and press Enter. If everything installed correctly, you'll see the Dart SDK version number appear. If you get a command not found error, the path wasn't set correctly, and you'll need to troubleshoot that. Now let's install the Dart extension in VS Code. Open VS Code, you should see the welcome screen or your previous project. On the far left side, you'll see the activity bar with several icons. Click on the extensions icon. It looks like 4 squares with one separated from the others. The extensions sidebar will open. At the top of the sidebar, you'll see a search box. Click in there and type Dart. The first result should be the Dart extension published by Dartcode. Click the Install button next to it. The button will change to say Installing, then once it's done, you'll see a gear icon and an uninstall button appear. VS Code might prompt you to reload or restart. If you see that notification in the bottom right, click it. If not, it's still a good idea to restart VS Code manually just to make sure everything loads correctly. Dart is now fully installed. To verify the extension is working, create a new file with a .dart extension. You should immediately see syntax, highlighting, and IntelliSense suggestions as you type. The extension also gives you debugging capabilities, package resolution, and hot reload support for when you're developing. You can create new Dart projects from the terminal using Dart create followed by your project name. One thing to note, if you already have the Flutter SDK installed or plan to install it later, it includes the full Dart SDK, so you can skip the SDK installation part entirely. Thanks for watching.